Picture this, it's a quiet Saturday morning in Palm City. You walk out back, coffee in hand, and settle into a chair beside your private screened pool, palm trees swaying overhead, not another soul in sight. That's the everyday reality waiting for you at 1163 Southwest Sundew Court. This move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits inside the gated Oak Ridge community, and it's been meticulously updated. Luxury vinyl plank floors run throughout an open, sunlit layout. The kitchen features quartz countertops and soft close cabinetry. The spacious master bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with a large walk-in closet, and the master bath includes a quartz double vanity with a porcelain soaking tub. Thanks to the split floor plan, the second and third bedrooms sit on the opposite side of the home, giving everyone their own private space. Out back, that diamond bright pool finish and fully fenced yard make every day feel like a retreat. The big ticket items are already done, too. A roof that's still got plenty of life left, a new AC system installed in 2026, a new hot water heater from 2025, and plumbing replaced throughout in 2021. Oak Ridge residents also enjoy a private clubhouse, community pool, tennis courts, and a basketball court. Just minutes away, you'll find the St. Lucie River, perfect for boating and fishing. Downtown Stuart offers waterfront dining and boutique shopping. The beaches of Hutchinson Island are just a short drive away. Families will love that the Florida Department of Education awarded Martin County Schools an overall A rating for the 2025 to 2026 school year. When it's time to travel, Palm Beach International is just 45 minutes down the road. It's more than a home, it's your lifestyle. I'm Matt Walsh with Illustrated Properties, alongside Tim Bouchard. Call us today to schedule your private showing at 1163 Sundew Court. Matt Walsh, 561-886-8456. Tim Bouchard, 561-919-4255.